So if you're thinking about getting the DEWALT driver socket set, I wanted to show you what it's going to look like and what's all included. So the actual case that it comes in is pretty neat. It has like the snaps on all four sides to keep it from opening up when you're carrying it, but it's also kind of see-through. So you can see if any of your things are missing without even opening them up. It's just an interesting look. I thought it was kind of cool. But we'll go ahead and open it up and see what's all in here. So you're gonna have your socket, obviously, and it's very heavy duty and really well built. And then you also have your drop down so that you can drop down to the smaller sizes. And you also have your extension so you can get a little bit more length on these. And it has the standard sockets up top and the metric sockets on the bottom. Also has another big to small drop down on an extender, and it also has a removable base here, so you can actually take it out if you want to. And there's kind of space underneath, not a whole bunch, but lots of space for screws or bolts or things when you're taking them off. You can throw them in here so that they don't get lost, which I think is kind of a nice little touch. So here's everything that is included. And so far, I'm impressed with it. DEWALT is a pretty big name in the tool space, so you know you're going to get quality stuff, and this is no exception. This is something that I have and that I would definitely recommend.